Today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in Poco C65. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts at the start, always check your DND mode. So open the top menu and now just look for the Do Not Disturb mode icon. Then make sure that you have this feature activated like here. Sometimes you can enable it by the misclick, so just check it. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and go to the app info. Let's start from the notifications. Of course, you have to turn it on and go to the additional settings. Now make sure that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, go back, open the data usage. Oh, okay, it's not working for me because I don't have a SIM card, but you can, in the data usage, just enable the background data and unrestricted data usage. If you still don't have your alerts, go to the storage and before that, make the backup of the WhatsApp app messages and tap on the clear data. Choose clear all data. After that, you have to log in again to the WhatsApp and check your notifications. If you still don't have it, try to reset your network settings. So open the settings, go to the connection sharing and look for the reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. Tap on the reset settings and tap on the OK button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.